Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you have been wanting to add a retinol into your skincare, then this one from GLEOW is such a great option.
I just hit my mid 30s and I am freaking out about my skincare finally. And I am loving this retinol serum from GLEOW. It moisturizes my skin and is helping to reduce the visibility of redness. Also, it has this hyaluronic acid in it, which hydrates the skin, helping to make it appear plump, and it's going to improve my skin's texture. I am really excited about adding this to my skincare routine, which, let's face it, it was virtually non-existent. So I am really happy with how this has helped my skin over the few weeks I have been using it, and I am really, really a big fan. If you're like me and you're new to this, then I really recommend using this one and being consistent with it, using it at night and remembering your sunscreen. It is going to make a world of difference.
I'm so glad that I added this retinol serum into my skincare routine. I am a huge fan of it, and I think that it is definitely worth a try. And that's my point of view.